Assalamualaikum Shining Star, how are you all? Today I am making a beautiful bird's feeder with paint bucket cap. So let's start. First of all, I take a rope and a jute rope and paste on the bucket cap with the help of glue gun, and then I make a beautiful circle design, and I just heat the iron stick and a hole in the bucket cap. Then I cross the jute rope into this hole which I create, make a knot to upside and downside both. Then I check out that this is equal or not. Again I roll out the jute again and again because I want to cover all the bucket cap. So that's why I just covered it with the glue gun, and then the other side is blank. So that's, I think that I make a beautiful wool knot I am making with the crochet. Then I completed, and then I paste it on the bucket, upward the bucket, and paste with glue gun again. I completed my design, and this is the final look. How was it? If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and Allah Hafiz.